Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set custom ringtone on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to set custom ringtone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your phone settings app. In settings just scroll down and look for sounds and vibrations. Select it and here scroll down again and you will get phone ringtone. You just have to tap on it. And here you will get a lot of ringtones. You just have to select one of them to set it as your ringtone. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and it will be selected. And if you want to select ringtone for message or notifications, so you just have to tap on notification ringtone and here just select the ringtone which you want to set. As I'm going to set this one, so just tap on it and it will be set. So that's how you can set custom ringtone on Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.